Are you looking for the best wireless doorbells? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wireless doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Honeywell RDWL 313P Home 3 Series Wireless Doorbell. Our favorite wireless doorbell is the Honeywell Home RDWL 313P 2000 for its reliable performance, straightforward setup, and thoughtful design. We think this plug-in model has just the right mix of simplicity and user-friendly features, making it ideal for anyone who needs a dependable, no-frills doorbell for their home. We loved how intuitive the installation process was. During testing, we simply plugged the doorbell receiver into a wall outlet, installed the included battery into the push button, selected a chime, and attached the button to the exterior of the house using the provided adhesive. The doorbell also comes with screws if you prefer to install it that way. The pairing worked instantly, with no apps or Wi-Fi setup required. The whole thing took just 17 minutes from unboxing to having a fully functional doorbell. The push button is well made and sturdy, and its white color makes it easy for guests to find. The chime is loud enough to be heard from anywhere in the house, and there are 6 ringtone options to choose from, including classic ding-dong and more playful tones like fantasy and smart sax. We also like the option to program a visual flashing alert, which could be especially helpful in noisier households or for those with hearing loss. Just note that this pick does not feature a camera, which some other options do. Number 2. Avantek Wireless Doorbell. The Avantek Wireless Doorbell is a great option that's less expensive than other picks. This model offers simple installation and an attractive design that's available in either black or white. We think the sleek look of this doorbell offers a more premium look than its price tag might suggest. With no need for Wi-Fi, apps, or drilling, this doorbell is ideal for renters, people who live in apartments, or anyone looking for a hassle-free setup and functionality. Installation took under 10 minutes and required no tools beyond what was included. The process involved inserting the battery by opening the back of the push button with the provided key, mounting it with an adhesive patch, plugging in the receiver, and pairing the 2 devices by entering pairing mode. This option has adjustable volume levels and a selection of 52 chimes to choose from. At times we were overwhelmed by the large selection and we didn't love all of the chimes, but overall we liked that we could tailor the sound and volume based on our needs. Plus, we were impressed with this model's clear sound during testing. Number 3. Eufy Security Dual Cam Video Doorbell. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell S330 is a feature-packed security doorbell system with a smart design and impressive dual camera setup. Unlike some other options, there's no required subscription either. This option offers both battery and hardwired installation options, so you can choose which option suits your home better. The doorbell has advanced features like package detection, facial recognition, loitering alerts, and 2-way audio, all without monthly fees. Installation of this model took about 10 minutes, thanks to the clear instructions in the app and the option to use existing doorbell wiring. We used our existing wiring to avoid the need for recharging, though the battery option is just as accessible. Connecting the home base to Wi-Fi was the only minor hiccup, requiring a few attempts before it finally linked successfully. Once set up, the app allows you to customize settings like motion detection zones and motion sensitivity, chime options, and loitering alerts. The app has a bit of a learning curve, but it didn't take long to master. The dual camera setup provided excellent coverage with no blind spots on the porch. We also noted that the package detection feature worked exactly as advertised and alerted us the moment a delivery arrived. There's even a delivery guard feature, which plays a preset message if someone approaches your package. Video quality was crisp and high resolution, even in night vision mode, and the audio was clear, although there was a slight delay during 2-way conversations. It's a little pricier than some of the other models in our roundup, but we think it's worth the investment if you're after a reliable and efficient smart video doorbell. Number 4. Google Wireless Nest Doorbell. With smart home integration, crisp video quality, and impressive motion detection capabilities, the Google Nest Doorbell is more than just a visitor alert. This wireless model pairs effortlessly with Google and Amazon Echo devices for real-time alerts and two-way talk. Plus, this pick has features like facial recognition, night vision, and even seasonal chimes, like spirited Halloween effects and Christmas carols. Installation took us about 15 minutes, most of which was spent syncing with the app and personalizing the settings. Hanging the doorbell itself was quick and required just a screwdriver. We chose to use it on battery power initially, and while it came fully charged and ready to go, the battery required recharging roughly every 2 weeks. The app interface was intuitive, especially if you're already familiar with other Google or Nest devices. Connecting to Alexa and syncing alerts across smart speakers was also a breeze. It has held up perfectly in all kinds of weather, including high winds and a tornado, with no drop in video quality or functionality. During testing, the doorbell offered clear and detailed video quality, even in low light, accurate detection of people, vehicles, animals, and packages, and real-time alerts that showed up quickly on our devices. We especially liked that the system could recognize and announce familiar faces at the door. The doorbell's audio was also crisp in both directions, and the live viewing feature gave us peace of mind when away from home. While many features were usable without a subscription, you'll need the paid plan if you want extended video storage. How it performed after 6 months. We're still using this doorbell daily after 6 months. However, we noted that the frequent battery recharges may prompt us to make the switch to hardwiring soon. Product details. Dimensions: 6.3 by 1.8 by 0.95 inches. Range: not applicable. Built-in camera: yes. Subscription required: no. Number 5. Honeywell Series 9 Wireless Doorbell. While the portable Honeywell Home RDWL 917AX 2000/E has no tech bells and whistles, it's a reliable no-fuss solution for those who just want to hear the doorbell without needing an app or video stream. The unit delivers clear audio, strong visual alerts, and flexibility that you don't often find in traditional chimes. It can run on batteries or be plugged into an outlet, and it's light enough to move between rooms as needed. Overall, we think this option is especially useful in households with sleeping babies, elderly folk, or people with hearing impairments. Installation took just 10 minutes. We opted to plug it in using the included USB cable. Note: no power brick is included, but you can also use 4C batteries for portability. The chime unit was easily mounted to a cabinet with just 2 screws, and the push-button transmitter was installed next to the door handle using the same simple method. The setup didn't require an app or syncing, just plug, or battery, and play. Despite being a fairly basic unit, without video, motion detection, or audio talkback features, it does come with a few perks. For example, this doorbell offers 11 tone options and adjustable volume, which we found very helpful since it can get very loud. During testing we ended up keeping it at half volume. You can even upload your own MP3 tones if desired. The doorbell also includes bright white and green visual alerts, which are visible from over 400 feet away. The lights are very bright. We initially thought they were too bright, but as it turns out, they quickly prove to be useful for notifications when wearing headphones or if the environment is noisy.